Hello and welcome to Rail and Rail Enthusiast and another episode of our series Along the Railway Line. Today I'm back on the Medway Valley line, and to find out where I am today is John with the railway map.
The Medway Valley line runs from Skewed on the north end of the map down to Paddock Wood at the south end of the map. East Farleigh, Yalding and Beltring won't be covered in this series, as I covered them during my least used stations in Kent series. A link is in the description below. And as I'm covering only the smaller stations on the line, the stations of Skewed, Maidstone West and Paddock Wood will not be featured. And today I'm at Wateringbury. The station was opened in 1844 by the South East Railway, and it was to become one of the more eye-catching stations on the line, being as it nestled right next to the River Medway. It started life, however, as just a dropping-off point with a basic wooden platform and no facilities. This changed quite quickly, however, as an imposing yet beautiful two-storey red brick station building was erected on newly built brick platforms on the Skewed-bound side. Mock Tudor in design, it certainly stands out proudly overlooking the river. A similar style building would later be built at Aylesford, however this would be made from Kentish ragstone. A station master's house was built next door of similar but smaller design. Freight facilities were excellent here, with a double-tracked goods shed, which frequently was used by the local brewery for transportation. Yard lasted until 1963, but the building is still used today by Network Rail for storage, ensuring this grand building still stands. The fine signal box was installed in 1892, manual gates being provided, and these remained until automatic barriers were installed in the 2010s. Another thing of interest is that the station didn't get a footbridge until the 1960s, when the foot crossing was deemed unsafe after the line was electrified. Also, it was one of the last stations on the line to retain semaphore signals, these being replaced in 2005 as part of a re-signalling scheme. At time of filming, passenger traffic is provided by Class 375 electric multiple units. As you arrive at the front of the station, you'll see a platform information board, as well as some posters and a board for the Kent Community Rail Partnership. As you walk onto platform 2, you will see an onward travel information board, as well as an automatic ticketing machine. You will also find an assistance point. Both platforms benefit from brand new waiting shelters. Fairly recent additions to this station include these fine flower boxes, which have been provided by the Kent Community Rail Partnership, Kent County Council and the Community Rail Network. Moving on to platform 1, you will find this mural, which was commissioned by the Kent Community Rail Partnership and the Wateringbury Station Partnership. It contains drawings and paintings produced by the local Wateringbury Junior School. And finally, both platforms benefit from dot matrix displays. Outside of the station you will find the Railway Public House, and walking over the level crossing will give you fantastic views of the River Medway, where walks can also be taken. The statistics for Wateringbury are that it opened in 1844. It currently has one train per hour in both directions Monday to Sunday, with additional trains during the peak hours, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 56,000 438. Wateringbury is a superb station to visit. The old signal box and goods shed alone would make it interesting, but couple that with the elaborate Grade 2 listed station building and of course the fabulous views across the River Medway make time here a pleasure. Sightlines for the enthusiast are excellent, whether at platform or bridge level, so photography and videography will gain you great results. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe, and if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.